Configuring and managing your online store's tax settings is a breeze with EasyStore. Let's see how to keep your online store compliant with tax regulations. To get started, navigate to EasyStore settings and select Tax. Click on the Add Taxable Country button to configure your tax settings. Choose the country from the drop-down list where you collect taxes and add the states accordingly. You can either select states individually or use the Select All button to choose all the states from the list. Hit Done and go to the next step. Now, you will find all your selected countries' states that you chose in the previous step here. If the country where you are collecting taxes has a consistent tax rate for all states, activate this option. Insert the tax rate and hit Save. The same tax rate will be applied to all the states. For countries with varying tax rates among states, individually input the rates for each state. Don't forget to check the box if taxes on shipping expense is applicable. Save your configuration. That's it, you have configured tax settings. You can always edit your settings by clicking the Edit button. You can keep adding more countries following the same process. Next, go to Settings and choose Checkout. Enable the Taxes option. It's crucial to activate this option to ensure your configured taxes are calculated at checkout. Hit Save Changes. Now, let's witness the changes on the checkout page. Setting up taxes in EasyStore is that simple. Stay tuned for more tutorials on EasyStore.